So today we're going to do something that I've been waiting to do since we got this vehicle. We are going to configure and try out the launch control. You can see yesterday we changed out the lugs to the black lug nuts. I don't know why they put chrome on these black wheels and the darker wheels, but so we got that changed out. Let's go ahead and see if we can't figure out how to properly use the launch control. So if you like content like this, I need you to do me a favor. If you like this video, go to my channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell for notifications. We'll be bringing you a lot more Corvette content coming up soon. All right, now to go into your launch feature, you have to go into your performance, scroll down, that'll take you to your launch control. Obviously it says it's unavailable because you have to be in either sport mode or you have to be in track. So if we put the car in drive, so we are in sport mode, but you have to double tap on the traction control to go into your programmable into your performance traction control. There we go. So let's see here, we're going to go to options. You can have it select automatically, or you can do a custom range and you can select your slip. So 45 RPMs, we can adjust that here just by using your toggle. And slippage, let's see here, we can go over slip and we can control that. So we're going to try this out and see what's good for our conditions that we are in. Bam. We'll try automatic also. 3,500 RPMs, 5% slip, it looks like. So now just to let you know also, you have to be in either your track mode or your sport mode. So there we go. There you can adjust here. That should allow us to do our performance. Yep, same option. Now also, let's see, Z mode. So the Z mode, it probably won't say available because we have to set up our programmable, our traction control on that. So it says unavailable because I've got to set up the PTM. So what we're going to do, let's just see here if we can get that right. We'll go to settings, vehicle, drive mode customization, Z mode. So here is where our launch control should work. Bam, it's going to give us suspension, everything is set up. You can just see it changed on the dash. Now if we do our Z mode, it should allow us to use launch control. There it is. So make sure you have your PTM set up in your Z mode configuration if you want to use your launch control. And so you got Z mode, sport, and track mode. All right, we're gonna try this launch control out. Got our Z mode set, it should automatically be ready. let's see how this one here works. That's the first real one we did. 2.6, baby. That was a hookup right there. So we use the, I think we use the preset setting at 4,000 RPMs. Let's look here. Yeah, performance sport for that last launch. And if you look at the options here, we did the automatic setting, which has, I believe it was 4,000. Let's see here. So we use the automatic setting for that last launch. Try it again, see how it turns out. Just did another 2.6. All right, we're gonna reset this timer here. That one did not seem to be up as high. I think we might have changed our launch control setting. Launch control is working awesome. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notifications. Until next time, enjoy the ride.